international breaking update that now we are picking up because tension seems to be growing between the United States of America and Colombia that have now surged after the Trump administration imposed tariffs and sanctions on Colombia following its refusal to cooperate on the deportation flights. In retaliation, Colombia has also announced 25% tariff on U.S. goods, intensifying the trade conflict. Now, this refusal has prompted Donald Trump administration to impose tariffs and other retaliatory measures on Colombia. And since Donald Trump has taken over the White House, deportation flights from the U.S. have been constantly making headlines. So this has been as far as the issue that has now escalated to such a level where right after Trump's announcement, even when it comes to the Colombian leaders and president saying that he has ordered the foreign trade minister to raise import tariffs with the U.S. by 25%. So this has been as far as the Colombian government first agreeing that it had formed a dedicated team that would ensure dignified treatment of deported Colombians. However, the refusal now has prompted Donald Trump administration to impose tariffs and other measures on Colombia. And we're looking at deportation flights from the U.S. that has been now constantly making headlines. The Colombian president earlier who had caved in and arranged for presidential plane to facilitate the dignified return of Colombian nationals who were deported to the country. But however, when it comes to the government of Colombia, had taken up this measure as comes in a response to its commitment to guarantee dignified conditions, and under no circumstances have Colombians as patriots and right holders been or will be banished from the Colombian territory. However, there has been a change in stand when it comes to Colombia. The government there assuring that remaining in touch with the U.S. and adding that it will also seek agreements to ensure minimum dignity to the deported individuals. Let's get in a word from Srinjoy, who is joining us right now. Srinjoy, the to and fro, because deportation, the flights that has now been reported, has been escalating these tensions between Colombia and the United States. Now, tariffs have been imposed, sanctions have been imposed. What happens now? Srinjoy? Well, we'll just get the line connected with Srinjoy, but Colombia now, however, seems to have taken a different turn on the United States deportation flights after Donald Trump's tariff call, and it has assured the remaining in touch with the U.S., adding that it will seek agreements to ensure dignity to the deported individuals. This is how the U.S.-Colombia tariffs war, however, seemed to have exploded with Donald Trump taking the office at the White House. With that, we head into a short break.